Log in by accessing the console. On the cluster list screen, click the plus register button at the top. Enter the cluster name and select inventory as the provider. Enter the key pair information for host access. Host details such as node name and IP should be divided and entered for the control plane and node group. Enter the option values for Kubernetes installation. If not entered, default values will be used, so only enter the required Kubernetes name and version. Review the information entered in the previous steps, then click Save to request cluster creation. The cluster is saved and installation begins, with the status changing to provisioning. Cluster installation takes a few minutes. You can check status updates by clicking the Reload button on the details screen and list view. On the cluster list screen, click the plus register button at the top again. This time, select Template as the provider and specify the OpenStack provider. Select the necessary options for closed network installation. Enter the key pair I information. And control plane information needed to create VMs in OpenStack. Use the copy function to create nodes with the same information, and adjust the number of nodes using the count setting. Enter the option values for Kubernetes installation. Review the information. And click Save to request cluster creation. The cluster is saved and installation begins, with the status changing to provisioning. Check the status and cluster information on the detail screen. You can see that the previously registered inventory type cluster has completed installation and is now in the provisioned state. Thank you.